Good afternoon. You are welcomed by Citadel Watch Company. The Rado Sintra RAD 33432S9 wristwatch is an elegant piece of Swiss watchmaking. Crafted from high-quality ceramic, they offer durability and a refined appearance. With a moderate case size of 32 mm, they are suitable for both everyday use and special occasions. The durable sapphire crystal protects the dial from scratches and external influences, ensuring a long watch life. The bracelet is also made of ceramic, making the watch light and comfortable to wear. The water resistance at the splash-proof level makes them reliable in everyday life. The quartz-type movement ensures accuracy and minimal time loss. The watch features hour, minutes, seconds and date display functions, making it a practical and stylish accessory. The watch comes in its original box with proper documentation, including a card and number book, emphasizing its authenticity. The preserved back stick on the cover emphasizes the careful handling of this watch, which is in excellent as new condition. Good shopping and have a great day.